let's talk about subtracting across zeros. Here's my problem. 3,405 minus 1,286. When I begin to do my subtraction, I notice that I'm supposed to borrow from a zero. But how do you do that? I can't just flip the numbers around. It's important to note that you can't borrow from a zero. But there is a way you can still solve this. It's called squaring off. Here's how to do it. I'm going to draw a box around the entire top number, beginning with the 0 that I wanted to borrow from. So in this problem, I'm squaring off, or putting a box around the 3, the 4, and the 0. Ignoring the rest of the numbers, what number is in the box? 340. Now I need to think, what number is 1 less than 340? If you're struggling to think of this, try thinking of what number is 1 less than 40, and that might give you a place to start. So, what number is 1 less than 340? It's 339. So I'm going to cross out my 340, and above it, write 339. So I can give 10 more to my ones place and create the number 15. After this, I can subtract just like normal. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So my final answer, or difference, is 2,119. That's how you use squaring off to subtract across zeros. Need another example? Let's try this one. 730,015 minus 128,624. You begin by subtracting just like normal. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 1 minus 2, well, I can't do that, so I better borrow. But now I'm borrowing from a 0, which I can't do. So now I need to square off the number again. I'll put a box around the whole rest of the number, beginning with the 0 from which I just tried to borrow. What number is inside the box? 7,300. Once again, I have to think, what is 1 less than 7,300? Or, as a head start, I can think of what's 1 less than 300. So, 1 less than 7,300 is 7,299. I'll cross out the 7,300 and write 7,299. Don't forget, now I can give 10 more to this 1 here to make 11. Now, just subtract as you normally would, and you'll get your final difference of 601,391. Hope this helps.